This is your Daikin control unit. This unit will show your radiator heating temperature set point. It will show your hot water temperature and its set point. You can change the hot water set point using the right hand dial. Also, if your heating system is not working or your hot water is not working, to heat up the hot water only, you can click on powerful operations and turn it on. That will turn on the electrical heater for your hot water, not for your heating. So if your air source heat pump is not working, you can turn on the hot water only. To see any information about a problem that you're having, if your heating and hot water is not working, you can go to the malfunction history, and over the phone you can tell us the problem, and maybe we can solve it over the phone. If not, we would have to come out. And that is all you need to know about the Daikin control unit.